RVSN stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is RVSN stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Looking at RVSN, honestly, it's a bearish market, and I'm not even saying this in a bad way or anything. I do have a decent amount of one receipt in the Discord, and it's only not going to be a bearish market the moment I start seeing full candle closes above 52 cents. I know there's like a lot of demands but a lot of people are just looking at RVSN right now, and honestly for me it just must show itself, like genuinely start breaking above 52 cents. Honestly, like still gonna see exactly the same with me. This double break, but specifically how that would look like is if I see a shift beneath this low here, double time, then and only then I'm looking to take things further lower. Other than that, it's all pure noise. So let me know what is your opinion on RVSN, and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.